fireworks. This morning I made a video for introduce some information about me and our company. Because the door is closed, I don't have a key. But right now I have worked for half day, and I would like to show you the inside of our company and the office. Okay, so this is the Chinese name of our company. Happy Family and Liuyang Hengtai. And actually this is the elevator. We are in the 6th floor. You can see there are some names and logo on the glass door. And here is our company name here. If you go to the right side, you will see there is a conference room. See? And here is one big showroom for our local market. There are a lot of items inside. And if I go this main hall, the right side is the manager office of local market, but she is not in right now. And then left side is the kitchen room, like you can make a coffee, a tea, and something here. And this is the room of my boss. This is the office of our local market office. We are having the lunch right now. So we go this way, and the right side is the office of my manager, Amy, and here is the financial room. And here is the mass production quality checking office. And if I turn on the light here, is our big showroom. See, this is the showroom, and this is the mass production quality checking office. The boys are not here because they go to the factory every day for checking the production and the quality, everything. And this is our big showroom. We have different items for different market. We have the very big room here. See, our recue are here. We have different designs, like the painting opera and the beautiful ladies and the wooden box. See, this is all our recue. And we have some color box for US market, the 1,000 and 1,500 gram vanilla cake box, and some cake assortment. You also have a lot of different fountains with different shape. And here you will see a lot of items from our Happy Family. There are some small cakes, 200, and some 3-inch line shots, and some display shells, and some arterial shells, Roman candle, canister shells. This is the showroom. here is the big office of sales, design, and shipping.
你的话就是没到位，没的。
你说没到不好的也算了。
他有时是为了放心，排2个小时就来。
在盘我们嘛。
So that's all for the office, and I will shoot some more videos in the future. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.